Tadz Recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinoy Salad Vlog. So ngayon po ay gagawa tayo ng Korean street food. So here's our ingredients. It's a fried gizzard. So we have our 1/2 500 grams gizzard, 1 teaspoon salt, and so I want little bit more spicy, so I will add 2 teaspoons of ground pepper, and then our hot sauce. So first we will just put in one bowl, then we will add our 1 teaspoon salt and our 2 teaspoon black pepper. So it depends kung gaano ka gusto nyo guys, but for me I will add 2 teaspoon kasi mas masarap yung mas maanghang. Then after mixing this, i-marinate natin for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Yan. And then afterwards, we will deep fry our gizzard. Then after deep frying our gizzard, ang ilalagay natin is yung hot sauce lang. So very simple ingredients, but it is so yummy. So we will wait until salt and peppers will be soaked in our gizzard. So I'll be back guys for our frying session. When we're marinating our gizzard, we will start frying. So naka-preheat na natin mantika. So, hintayin lang natin maging crispy yung ating gizzard or turns into brown. We're almost done guys. Malapit na. Ito, ating gizzard. And guys, luto na yung ating gizzard, fried gizzard. So we will just set aside para mag-drain yung ating mantika. Then we will put in our plate. So here's our fried gizzard. It's a Korean street food. Fried gizzard with hot sauce. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Tadz Recipe, Pinoy Salad Vlog. Thanks for watching guys.